If you're planning a trip to the majestic Machu Picchu in Peru, finding the perfect accommodation is essential to make your experience even more memorable. In this video, we will take a look at the 7 best hotels in Machu Picchu. If you're traveling with your family, as a couple, or on a business trip, we've got you covered. So let's check out the top accommodations Machu Picchu that promise to enhance your journey. Want to see more of Peru's stunning beauty? Check out our another video where we explore the top 10 must-visit destinations in Peru. Number 1 on our list is Sumaq Machu Picchu Hotel. It is a 5-star luxury hotel. So if you're looking for a high-end luxurious hotel, the Sumaq Hotel is the perfect choice. It's a mountain hotel with a spa near Aguascalientes Hot Springs, located 300 meters from the center of Machu Picchu. The hotel offers spacious and luxurious rooms with a sitting area. Cable TV and heating are standard amenities, while some rooms also have a private balcony with stunning views of the mountains and the Urubamba River. At number 2, we have Inkaterra Machu Picchu Pueblo Hotel, known for its colonial-style charm. Guests can enjoy massage sessions and the Andean sauna in this beautiful property. The spacious rooms feature tiled floors, seating areas, and some even have Wi-Fi, fireplaces, marble basins, and private pools. The hotel's restaurant offers delightful Andean cuisine while overlooking the Vilcanota River. Number 3 on our list is Casa del Sol Machu Picchu, just steps from the Aguascalientes train station. Casa del Sol Machu Picchu Boutique Hotel is the epitome of convenience fused with comfort. The rooms and suites offer panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and rivers, creating a tranquil backdrop for your stay. The on-site restaurant serves up a fusion of local and international cuisine, ensuring a delightful culinary experience. When you are traveling with kids, a city like Machu Picchu is best enjoyed when you set up a base at a centrally located property that is designed to host families. The Hotel Taypikala has it all. It's a 4-star hotel with a restaurant near Aguascalientes Hot Springs, located 300 meters from the center of Machu Picchu. The hotel has 5 room types to choose from, ranging from 25 square meters to 60 square meters. The hotel offers its guests free high-speed internet, free parking, free breakfast, bar, lounge, baggage storage, concierge services, 24-hour front desk, laundry service, and more. Number 5 on our list is Hatun Inti Boutique Machu Picchu. This boutique hotel, with its handcrafted woodwork and traditional decor, captures the spirit of Peruvian craftsmanship. Its prime location by the river allows guests to fall asleep to the soothing sound of flowing water, ensuring a peaceful night's rest. The hotel prides itself on its warm hospitality and custom-tailored experiences for each guest. Number 6 on our list is Inti Punku Machu Picchu Hotel and Suites. If you're traveling for work or a business meeting, or with your family, the Inti Punku Hotel and Suites has all of that. It's a Beaux-Arts hotel with a restaurant near Ollantaytambo's hot springs, located 150 meters from the center of Machu Picchu. The hotel has 9 room types to choose from, ranging from 14 square meters to 32 square meters. Most of the rooms have air conditioning, an ensuite bathroom, flat-screen TV, minibar, balcony, garden view, mountain view, landmark view, city view, inner courtyard view, patio, terrace, coffee machine, and more. Looking for a budget-friendly hotel? Then check out our number 7. Hotel Qoya Palace in Machu Picchu, rather than pay a large amount for a room in a hotel. Considering its price, it offers everything you might need and has a good location. Its comfortable accommodations and friendly staff ensure a pleasant stay, while its proximity to local attractions makes it a convenient base for exploration. In my honest opinion, this one is probably the best value for money hotel in Machu Picchu. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more exciting videos.